Let's talk about why faceless YouTube channels powered by AI are one of the most compelling business models available to entrepreneurs right now. YouTube pays out over $30 billion a year to creators. Most of that money goes to channels you've probably never heard of: finance explainers, AI news channels, true crime recaps, motivational compilations, boring sounding topics, massive consistent revenue. The secret ingredient is repeatability. These channels produce content like a factory because AI handles the most time-consuming parts: scripting, voiceover, and video assembly. So let's build one from scratch, right now, step by step. Step 1, pick a niche that actually makes money. This is where most beginners completely blow it. They pick something they're passionate about, their cat, their fitness journey, their opinions on movies, and then wonder why they earn $4 after 3 months. For a faceless AI channel, you need a niche that hits 3 criteria. Write these down. Number 1, high advertiser demand. Think finance, software, real estate, business tools, health. These niches have CPMs, that's cost per 1,000 views, ranging from $8 to $40. Compare that to entertainment or gaming, where CPMs can drop below $2. Same views, completely different paycheck. Number 2, evergreen content potential. You want topics people search for year-round, not just during a trending news cycle. How to invest your first 1,000 gets searched every single day. React to this week's viral clip does not. Number 3, AI scriptable. Can a good AI generate accurate, useful content on this topic? Finance, productivity, tech explainers, history? Yes. Hyper-local news or niche comedy? Much harder. My top 3 recommended niches for 2024 faceless channels: AI and tech news, personal finance basics, and business automation. All 3 have hungry audiences, high CPMs, and are absolutely stuffed with content ideas. Pick one. Just one. Moving on. Step 2. Set up your AI tool stack. This is the engine of your channel. You need 4 things: a script generator, a voiceover tool, a video assembly tool, and a growth optimizer. I'm going to give you my personal stack, the one I actually use and pay for. For scripting, ChatGPT or Claude handles this well with the right prompting framework. I'll drop a free prompt template in the description. Takes about 10 minutes to generate a solid 1,500 word script once you have the system dialed in. For voiceover, this is where things get interesting. I use 11 Labs, and honestly, it changed the game for me. The voice quality is so realistic that viewers have asked me in the comments which human narrator I hired. I did not hire a human narrator. 11 Labs lets you clone a voice, pick from dozens of professional-sounding AI voices, and export studio-quality audio in minutes. If you're going to invest in one tool for your faceless channel, this is it. Link is in the description. For video assembly, turning your script and voiceover into an actual watchable video, I use Pictory. Here's why I love Pictory specifically. You paste in your script, it automatically pulls relevant stock footage and images, syncs everything to your audio timeline, and adds captions. What used to take a video editor 4 to 6 hours takes about 20 minutes. And the output looks genuinely professional. I've seen faceless channels hitting millions of views using exactly this workflow. Pictory link is also in the description. For growth optimization, TubeBuddy is non-negotiable. It plugs directly into YouTube Studio and gives you keyword research, A/B thumbnail testing, SEO scoring for your titles and descriptions, and competitor analysis. When I upload a new video, TubeBuddy tells me exactly how likely it is to rank before I even hit publish. That kind of data advantage compounds massively over time. Their free plan is solid. The paid plan is worth every penny once you're posting consistently. Step 3, produce your first video. All right, you've got your niche, you've got your tools. Let's make something. Day 1, research and script. Use Google's People Also Ask section for your niche keyword to find exactly what your audience is already searching. Feed 3 to 5 of those questions into ChatGPT with this prompt structure. Write a YouTube script for a faceless channel targeting entrepreneurs. Topic: tone, authoritative but conversational. Include a strong hook in the first 30 seconds. Length, 1,500 words. Tweak the output. Add your own examples. Cut anything generic. Punch up the hook. Day 1 continued. Voiceover. Drop your polished script into 11 Labs. Select your voice. I recommend a male or female voice with a neutral American accent for maximum appeal across your target demographic. Export the MP3. Takes 5 minutes. Day 2, video assembly. Open Pictory. Paste the script into the script to video workflow. Upload your 11 Labs audio file. Let it auto-match footage. Spend 20 to 30 minutes swapping out any stock clips that don't quite fit. Pictory's library is massive, so you'll find what you need. Add an intro card with your channel name, outro with subscribe button graphic, and export. Day 2 continued. Optimize before you upload. Open TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer and search your main topic. Find a primary keyword with high search volume and low competition. That keyword goes in your title, first line of description, and first tag. Your thumbnail should be high contrast, 5 words or fewer, and make a specific promise or create curiosity. Use Canva. It's free and has YouTube thumbnail templates built in. In total time investment for your first video, realistically 4 to 6 hours if you're learning the tools simultaneously. By your 5th video, you'll be under 2 hours per video. That is the business model. Step 4, monetization and scaling. YouTube ad revenue kicks in at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. For a faceless AI channel posting consistently 2 to 3 videos per week, most creators hit this threshold in 3 to 5 months. But here's what the gurus don't tell you. AdSense is just the beginning. The real money in faceless channels comes from affiliate marketing layered on top of ad revenue. Every tool you use and recommend, every product that genuinely solves a problem for your audience, becomes a revenue stream through your description links. A single well-placed affiliate recommendation in a video that ranks and gets consistent search traffic can pay you for years. Years. That's not hype. That's compound interest applied to content. The scaling play is batch production. Once you've got the workflow down, dedicate 1 weekend per month to producing 8 to 10 videos. Schedule them out for the month. Your channel runs on autopilot while you work on other things, or go outside, I don't know, touch some grass. Channels in the niches I mentioned on finance, AI, business tools typically see CPMs between 12 and 25. At 100,000 monthly views, that's $200 to $2,500 from AdSense alone. At affiliate commissions, and you're looking at $3,000 to $6,000 per month from a channel that runs largely on autopilot. Is it overnight? No. Is it real? Absolutely. The honest part. Look, I'm not going to pretend there's zero effort here. The channels that fail are the ones that post 3 videos, get 40 views, and quit. YouTube is a long game. The algorithm rewards consistency and watch time above everything else. Your job in month 1 is not to go viral. Your job is to post, learn, iterate, and not quit. The AI tools I've shown you today cut the production barrier down from I need a camera crew and an editor to I need a laptop and a few hours. The creative and strategic thinking, the niche selection, the hook writing, the content angle, that's still on you. But that's also the fun part. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description. Pictory, 11 Labs, TubeBuddy. I've negotiated or found the best current deals on all of them, so check those links before you sign up anywhere else. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It takes half a second, and it genuinely helps this video reach more people who need it. Subscribe if you want weekly deep dives on AI tools and business systems that actually work. I drop new content every Tuesday. I'm testing a new video next week on the exact prompt framework I use to script 10 videos in under 2 hours. If that sounds useful, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. See you Tuesday. Let's build something.